Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Have you ever wondered how oxygen, nutrients, and even medicines travel inside your body? Or how your body fights infections silently, without you even knowing? The secret lies in two amazing systems, your blood circulation and lymphatic system. Today, we are diving deep into how your body fluid and circulation work. Let's begin. The mysterious fluid, between your cells, lymph, or tissue fluid. Imagine a city where every house gets food, water, and other supplies through a well-organized system of pipes. In your body, these pipes are blood vessels, and the supplies are carried by your blood. But what if something leaks out between the pipes? That's exactly what happens in your body. How is lymph formed? As blood flows through tiny capillaries in your tissues, some water, oxygen, and small nutrients leak out into the spaces between cells. What stays behind? Larger proteins and blood cells because they're too big to escape. The leaked fluid is called interstitial fluid or tissue fluid. Why is tissue fluid important? This fluid acts as a middleman between blood and cells. It helps in the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between blood and body cells. How does tissue fluid become lymph? The body doesn't let this fluid go to waste. It is collected by a special network of tiny tubes called the lymphatic system. Once inside these tubes, the fluid is called lymph. Think of it as a recycling system that drains excess fluid back into your main blood circulation. Why is lymph important? Immune defense. Lymph contains lymphocytes, which are white blood cells that fight infections. Fat absorption. Ever wondered how fats from your food reach your blood? They are absorbed through tiny lymphatic vessels in your intestines called lacteals. Waste removal. It helps remove waste materials and toxins from tissues. Without the lymphatic system, your body would swell up with excess fluid and your immune system wouldn't function properly. That's how crucial this hidden fluid is. How your heart regulates its beat cardiac activity. Your heart is like an automatic engine, beating non-stop without you thinking about it. But how does it know when to beat faster or slower? Let's break it down. What makes the heart beat? Unlike your arms and legs, which need signals from your brain to move, the heart beats on its own. This is because it has special muscle tissues called nodal tissues that generate their own electrical impulses. That's why your heart is called myogenic. It controls itself. Who controls the heart rate? Although the heart beats automatically, your brain can speed it up or slow it down when needed. This is done by the autonomic nervous system, or ANS, which works without your conscious effort. The medulla oblongata, a part of your brainstem, acts as the control center. How does the nervous system affect your heartbeat? The sympathetic nervous system works like an accelerator in a car. When you're stressed, exercising, or scared, it increases heart rate, strengthens heart contractions, and boosts blood output. On the other hand, the parasympathetic nervous system works like a brake, slowing down the heart rate when you're relaxed or sleeping. What about hormones? Your body also uses hormones to control your heart rate. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, released by the adrenal glands, increases heart rate and cardiac output during stressful situations, preparing you for a fight-or-flight response. So the next time your heart races when you're excited or slows down when you're meditating, remember, it's all part of your body's amazing built-in control system. Your body is a masterpiece of engineering. The lymphatic system silently protects you from infections, removes waste, and absorbs fats. Meanwhile, your heart's self-regulating mechanism ensures that it beats at the right speed, at the right time. If you found this information helpful and fascinating, don't forget, your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. See you in the next video on Knowledge Chronicle.